Hello, this is going to be a quick little screenshot of how to get into Edpuzzle. There's Edpuzzle. You're going to log in if you're already a student. I am a student, and you sign in with your Google. See that? Then you will have your email that you use for your iPad, and you should be all set. If for some reason you do not have an account when you go through that, you are going to sign up. Say, I am a student, and sign in with Google. And unfortunately, I can't show you as a student because I don't know everyone's email, but you're going to choose your email. And then the next screen will say, unleashing to get your learning. Let's see, it seems like it's recognized and I have account already. See that? So when you do that, you should already have an account. If for some reason you don't, it says, join a class, and you enter the class code. Reach out to me if I have any problems. I can usually get back to you pretty quickly and help you through it. So good luck with that, and I hope there's no issues.